You are watching Rocky's Ceiling Fan Collection.
Hello, my name is Rocky Ceiling Fan Collection.
So why do you love ceiling fan?
It's because I love them because they like spin and they give air. Because I don't like it when they're no no air. But sometimes I like it when there's air.
What kind of ceiling fan do you like?
Like moderns are still normal, or like still 3 blades. But not like all the time like with fans. Like see or they see a modern one and I see a modern one with the same like that. So that's one I still don't like that.
Thank you.
You are watching Rocky's Ceiling Fan Collection.